This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. Custom-built home on 1.28 acres, pond stocked with base. Cul-de-sac location offers plenty of privacy. Open floor plan features 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full baths, 9 ceilings downstairs. Kitchen features granite countertops, custom cabinets, high-end appliances, island with prep sink. Enjoy the large primary bedroom with tray ceiling, walk-in closet, primary bath with separate vanities, shower, and tub. French doors lead to deck with views of the pond. Peaceful setting with easy access to Moyock, Camden County, and OBX. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.